Doing this is Sai from Affiliates.com. I'm back with another one for you. Look, we got here. Who are you? Ayan. Okay, so we're going to talk about today pitching and promoting less of your links and selling more. Okay, plugging and promoting your affiliate links online through various platforms using spammy taxes and overlinking may have an adverse effect to your marketing efforts, simply because people don't like being sold to. And when you operate in this way, let's be honest, I'm sure you don't like it too, when people keep spamming their affiliate links and promoting their products inappropriately. So there's a time and place to promote and pitch your products, and you have to do it in a way that doesn't put people off. Okay, so what's worse is that you may end up losing your prospects and audience. So better thing to do is to provide more value than pitching of your affiliate promotions. So my mentor Vic says you should provide something like 80% value and 20% promotion or pitching, okay, which I totally agree and try to implement in my own marketing. So this way you're actually flipping this, pitch to value ratio, where you're providing more value and pitching less. So when you provide more value, your audience, your prospects will get to learn your ideas, your thoughts, and your personality. As a result, they will likely to know you more, like you more, and trust you more. Trust is key, as it has proven to contribute to sales in any kind of business. Trust can be built in any type of business and happens on even offline business where we just don't realize it as consumers. So for example, here in the UK, we have a popular household department store called Argos, okay? Over the years, I've purchased lots of products from them and received great value in terms of customer services, great products, special offers and gift cards, etc. Having received this value, I've kind of grown to like and trust Argos and their products. Therefore, when I'm looking to buy a household product, I have Argos in my mind and check their pricing on a particular product that I'm looking for and see if they've got it cheap or whatever, right? So I also shop from Amazon, another store online, and think of the same of Amazon, as I trust Amazon, their product, their service. Okay, so fair enough, stores like Argos and Amazon don't provide value in the form of content, but they provide value in different ways, such as great service, product, and great prices, offers, and so on. So when it comes to implementing the 80-20 content pitch strategy, you can apply it in your various types of marketing, i.e. email, blog posts, and social media posts, etc. So let's now look at some examples of the 80-20 content pitch method in action in the context of affiliate marketing. So in a blog post example, you can provide the value piece content on a topic, and at the end of the post, as a call to action, include your link to an offer that is related to the topic that you just covered. For example, I wrote a blog post about the importance of learning from the right people to achieve success. I also mentioned that my own mentor that I'm personally learning from. At the end of the post, I linked to a free advanced training from my mentor for anyone who would like to learn advanced affiliate marketing strategies. You can check that post out, which I'll put in the link in the description below, and you can see to get an idea of how I include the link. Okay, so in an email example, if you write an email, it makes sense not to mention your affiliate link in every few paragraphs, but to mention it maybe at the end of the email, through providing a piece of value-based content and within the context of the topic in a non-sales type way. You just have to be a little creative, and you'll know where's the best place to insert your affiliate link as you write your content piece. So these are just some examples and ideas to give you a general idea, but the main key point here is provide more value and pitch less. Okay, so as you engage in your marketing, you'll have a sense and feeling inside when you know that you're overselling or pitching your affiliate links. When you do realize, simply make adjustments by reducing your pitching and providing more value, and hopefully you'll see the rewards in the form of sales and commissions. Okay, so that's it for now. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you'd like some free resources to building and growing your affiliate marketing business, I have put together some resources for you if you visit affiliateship.com/free. That's it for now. Thanks for watching. Bye. Say bye.